How to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them? Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to join someone or join the game on Roblox without being friends with them, the steps are quite simple. First of all, open your Roblox application and then log in using your credentials. Once you have logged in, go to the search bar or on the connect bar, and then you have to search the name of the person whose game you want to join. Once you tap on the username of the person, you will see multiple accounts with the same name. Tap on the one that you'd like to join, and then you have to tap on the option of View Full Details or View Full Profile. Next up, you'll have to tap on the three dots right next to the username, and then you will see the option of Follow. Once the person has accepted your follow request, you will then be able to join this person in Adventure of Roblox. So you can go ahead and give it a try. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.